Airplane. Ambulance. Airplane. Ambulance. Let's learn the alphabet. A, B, C. B-U-S spells bus.
B, bus. B, bike.
Let's learn the letter B.
I see a red car and a big crane. That's a term. Bright red car and tall construction crane.
Let's spell car. C-A-R, car. C-A-R. That spells car. Can you say car? Car. Look, it's a fire truck. Fire truck. And here comes the ferry boat.
Ferry boat.
Vehicles. Can you spell vehicles with me? V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S.
Great job.
Here is a garbage truck and a glider.
Carrot. Carrot.